Tropical storm Meari, which formed south of Japan early Friday morning, is expected to make landfall on the Pacific coast of the country's Tokai or Kanto region on Saturday, the Meteorological Agency said Friday. The agency is warning the public of heavy rainfall, high waves and strong winds from the eighth named storm of the year, which may also disrupt public transportation. The tropical storm was moving slowly north off the southern coast of Japan at noon Friday, with a central atmospheric pressure of 1,004 hectopascals, a maximum sustained wind speed of 65 km per hour and a maximum instantaneous wind speed of 90 km per hour. It is forecast to move off the coast of Tohoku early Sunday morning before becoming an extratropical cyclone early Monday morning. Heavy rains lashed Tohoku and Hokkaido on Friday morning due to a low-pressure system accompanied by a rain front. Cape Arimo in Hokkaido logged rainfall of 125 mm in the 12 hours through 9:40 a.m. Friday. The city of Mutsu in the Tohoku prefecture of Aomori marked 107 mm in the 12 hours through 8:30 a.m.